In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download BodyFast app on Android. BodyFast is a popular intermittent fasting app that helps you structure your eating windows and stay consistent. It includes easy-to-use fasting timers, personalized fasting plans tailored to your goals, water tracking to keep you hydrated, a collection of recipes for inspiration, and progress tracking so you can see how you're doing over time. The basic version is free, which makes it a great way to get started without any commitment. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You'll find the Play Store icon in your app drawer or on your home screen on most devices. This is the official place to safely download apps on Android, and it's already installed on virtually all Android phones and tablets. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. This brings up the keyboard so you can enter the app name. Typing directly into the search bar helps you find the exact app quickly, especially if there are similar sounding options. Now, type BodyFast, intermittent fasting. Using the full name helps the Play Store surface the correct result. As you type, you'll likely see suggestions appear below. Look for the app that matches this title. When you see BodyFast, tap the one published by BodyFast GmbH. The developer name is a reliable way to confirm you're getting the official app. On the app's page, you'll see the icon, screenshots, and a description that summarizes features like fasting plans, water tracking, recipes, and progress insights. Press install. The Play Store will download and install the app for you. You'll see a progress indicator while it's working. Depending on your connection, this can take a moment, so just let it finish. Once the installation is complete, the Install button changes to Open, and the app will also appear in your app drawer. After installation, tap Open to start using the app. You'll arrive at the Welcome screen, where you can explore fasting timers to guide your eating windows, browse personalized plan options designed to match your lifestyle, log your water intake, check out recipe ideas, and track your progress over time. Remember, the basic version is free, so you can begin right away and explore the core tools at your own pace. That's it. Quick, simple, and secure. You've downloaded BodyFast on Android, and you're ready to get started. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to repeat these steps for any other app you want to install from the Play Store.